45. Nggak terlambat kan? Nggak terlambat.
Good morning, honorable judges, teachers, and friends. I'm Albert from Maitreyawira, and today I'm going to tell you a story about the brave little lion and the tiny mouse. Once upon a time, in a green jungle, lived a young lion named Leo. Leo wasn't just big as the other lion, but he had a brave heart. One sunny day, his mother told him, Leo, being brave isn't just being big, it's about what's doing right. Leo nodded, I'll be brave and explore the jungle today. So, off he explored the jungle, and then he heard something coming from the bushes. Who's there? Leo said, trying to be brave. Out came a mouse, shaking with fear. Please don't hurt me, the mouse said. Leo laughed. Why did I let you? You're so small. The mouse replied, I may be small, but one day I might help you. Leo laughed louder. You help me? I'm a lion. How could a tiny mouse like you help me? The mouse replied, you never know. Big or small, everyone can help. So Leo continued his exploring through the jungle, and then he walked by the hunter's trap. A net pulled him up into the air, and he was stuck. He roared as loud as he could. Why, somebody help me! But no one came. The jungle was very quiet, except the sound of Leo struggling in the net. The mouse heard Leo's roar. That's Leo, he's in trouble, the mouse said, so the mouse rushed to help. Then the mouse looked Leo tangled in the net. So the mouse said, don't worry, Leo, I will rescue you. How could you help me? This net is too strong for me, Leo said. But the mouse didn't hear it. The mouse just climbed and started chewing the nuts. Bit by bit, the rope started to loosen. So Leo watched in amazement. You're doing it, he exclaimed. Now the mouse chewed through the last rope, and Leo was free. So Leo stood up and shook off his body. Then Leo said, I can't believe it! You saved me! Then the mouse said, I told you, Leo, it doesn't matter how small you are. The matter is being brave and helping others. Leo bent down and said, thank you, my friend. You're braver than any lion I know. From now on, we will always stick together. From that day on, Leo and the mouse became best friends. They explored the jungle together with the mouse riding on Leo's back. Whenever they meet other animals, Leo proudly said, this is my brave friend, the mouse. He saved me and he has the biggest heart in the jungle. From this story, we can learn that no matter how small you are, you still can make a big difference. Thank you everybody and see you again.